Good day, everyone. I am Glenn Son from the BE Ed second year, and this is my report. My report is all about computer aid in statistical computing and data presentation. Okay, so in the previous paragraphs of this chapter, fundamental concepts of statistics and statistical tools used for different statistical methods were discussed. So in the succeeding paragraph, simple computations of statistical treatment will be discussed with emphasis on the use of computers, since our topic is all about computer and the software MS Excel, or known sa to as Excel. So an MS Excel is a software developed by Microsoft to make computation more efficient and less prone to errors. So let's now move on to the next slide. Okay, so now we will know what are the basic steps in opening the MS Excel program, or kabalo naman ta ani since naghimo na tag data analysis. Okay, so number one, so as you can see in the picture na circlean diha, click the icon of the MS Excel, or if not available, then click the start button to choose all programs and double click on MS Excel to open the program. So this is the initial window that will appear, and if you are using the latest version of the MS Excel, simply click on blank document options. If you have a previously created file to work on, or napakigibuhat atong last, then simply double click and then open other worksheets. Okay, so now let us move on to the number 2. So as you can see in the picture, once a worksheet has been opened, or kung na-open na siya, since kita niyo diha na sulat ang atong worksheet, then it is now ready for data entry. And then you may now encode the scores or the data that will be processed. So the worksheet is like this. So just like sa makita sa picture. So if na-open na, and then now we may start encoding our data. So pwede na mag-encode sa mga scores and data nga na-gather. So we start a discussion with charts and frequency distribution. Okay, so next is the charts and frequency distribution. So as you can see in the table contains the grades of 10 students, and then in the table contains the grades of 10 students in their mathematics and English subjects. So the first column is the student class number, and then okay, nyo makita diha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then the second column is the math grade, or ilang grade sa math, and then the third column is the English grade. Okay, so and then the next picture is all about using data, so it may be converted into charts and or diagrams. So just like in sa picture, kaya nakagather na mga information, so it may be converted into charts or into diagrams. So a scatter diagram was created by using the insert chart function of MS Excel. So detailed steps on how to have scatter diagrams are as follows. So the next picture will be the detailed steps on how to have scatter diagrams. Okay, so number 1 is that you have to click the insert tab. So kanang circle lang diha nadapit ang insert tab. Then among the chart options, choose insert scatter. So you have to choose the insert scatter. So note that the other types of chart may be chosen based on preference of the user and how they would want to present their data. So bar graphs, pwede po bar graphs, and then pie charts, line graphs, and etc. So are just some of the charts that are available and can be utilized. Okay, so now let us move on to the next picture. So now we are here in the computing for the measures of central tendency, variability, and correlation. So statistical functions are available in MS Excel. So available, you can siya dito sa Excel. So you just have to click the formulas tab, and the different available formula logically organized will be displayed. Okay, so choose the more functions icon. So pangitaan mo tong more functions, and then choose statistical. So several statistical formula are provided on the list. So for the mean, the function average will be used. Okay, so mo ni ang base ganiha. So kato akong giingon ganiha is mo ni siya ang katong sa first picture. So mo ni siya ang katong statistical functions that are available in MS Excel. And then next is this second picture is example nagyapon siya. So for the mean, you have to choose the average from the list, and then once you click the function average, the following screen will be displayed. So once imo na siya na-click, then it will automatically displayed. Okay, so but by the way, na pa ko i-explain nga last, okay? So actually that mora to siya ang mga basic steps para maka-learn ta on how to use the MS Excel. So you have to parehara pud ani nga picture parehara pud ani nga mga pictures inyo nakita. Then you just have to fill in the required fields to indicate which among the encoded data will be considered in the computation of the mean, and then you have to press the OK, and automatically the mean will be computed and placed on the space where you indicated to place the result for this case. So the once enclosed with rounded edge box. So for example, if na-click ninyo, then mamili ra ka kung aha butang ang result. So similar steps shall be followed for other statistical formulas such as the standard deviation, or known as the STDEV, and then the median, the mood, the range, the person, and then the z-test. Same user interface is displayed, so it is easier for the user to encode the necessary information such as the raw data that will be included in the processing or the computation. Okay, so not all may be available in MS Excel, but nevertheless, majority of those statistical computations are. So although dili man tanan, but then naaragid na siya. So in the older version of the MS Excel, the statistical formula are not available. So sa old version patang Excel, dili pa siya available. So instead, most of the formula are packaged all together and displayed into a single table containing the computed values. So this is packaged under descriptive statistics function and statistics summary. Okay, so the information contained in the package function consists of the following. So just like what I said earlier, the mean, the median, median, mood, the standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness or skewness, range, minimum, maximum, sum, and count. So another software that was really designed to support statistical computations is the SPSS, so or statistical package for social sciences. So I know nga we are familiar with this software. It's because nag-data analysis na tayo, and Ma'am Hinovia told us that mo ni siya po ang usa ka way para nung ta if reliable ba ang ato ang mga information nga na-gather or data nga na-gathered, so which has evolved into statistical product and service solutions. So all the statistical formula are available in this software. Okay, so mo na to akong report, and thank you for listening.